The EOS R10 is Canon's entry-level APS-C camera built around the mirrorless RF mount system. Pairing the R10 with Canon's Camera Connect app offers a range of tools for wireless control, review, and transferring images and video. There are two methods for connecting your camera to a smartphone using either Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Bluetooth provides for two functions. First, it keeps a constant connection to the camera so Wi-Fi can connect quickly to transfer images. Second, it can act as a Bluetooth remote to capture images as well as start and stop recording a video. When connected to your smartphone via Wi-Fi, Camera Connect offers more extensive control via live view shooting. Within this interface, you can access a host of camera settings such as exposure, white balance, focus mode, and frame rate. You can also touch to focus by directly pressing the focus area on the smartphone. The app also allows you to toggle between photo and video mode. Transferring images and video is easy using Camera Connect. When selected, they can be saved directly to your smartphone's camera roll and then uploaded to the platform of your choice. Images and video can also be automatically synchronized to platforms such as Google Photos, Google Drive, YouTube, and Flickr using image.canon.